Patterns in mathematics. Math helps us find patterns all around us, from the shapes in nature to the things we see at home and even in the stars in the sky. We use patterns every day. When we go shopping, cook with our family, or play games with friends, patterns are always there to help us. Finding patterns can feel like solving a fun puzzle. That's why mathematicians see math as both an art and a science. Patterns help us understand the world better. They can help us solve problems, create new things, and make our lives easier. Patterns in the stars helped us learn how to travel to space, and patterns in our DNA help doctors find cures for diseases. Math is everywhere, and patterns are waiting to be discovered. Let's explore them together and see what new things we can find. Thanks for watching. Remember to keep an eye out for patterns all around you.